Maverick has not said anything much or anything directly about the schoolboy football season, one of the most wide open Manning and the Costa Cup seasons in recent years. It's like any one of 4 or 5 teams can win the Manning Cup, and any one of those 4 teams can win the Costa Cup. But I want to say this about this year's schoolboy competitions generally. Having seen enough of the games to conclude that there is not an abundance of elite level individual talent jumping out at us, but perhaps more instructively and more importantly, we're seeing some decent level of football being played by a larger number of schools in both the Manning and the Costa Cup. We're seeing well-coached teams making an effort to put on the ball and build from the back, despite the still atrocious condition of the surfaces. But we're seeing team organization, more teams keeping shape, and some reasonable technical skills. And this might very well be a positive development for the overall future of the game in Jamaica. It's kind of like how the athletics programs in the schools start spreading in recent years, and you see the result in track and field. That could be what is happening in the football right now. We hope. As to which teams will win this year's Manning Cup and the Costa Cup, leave it alone. Leave it alone, man. Leave it alone.